Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to delete your Chime account. Okay, so before deleting your account you need to keep something in your mind. And what are the things? The thing is, if you have any, you can say like balance in your account, so in that case you need to transfer your all the money before closing your account. Okay, because they will process a refund check-in within 14 days of account closure. So basically you can transfer your all the money before closing your account. Okay, and if we talk about how to delete your account, so basically these are the things. Now first of all, you need to open your Chime saving checking account app, and you need to go to on your profile icon. Now you need to tap on your profile information. Now you can select tap close account and follow the steps. And if you are facing any issue, you are not able to cancel your account by online, if you are not a technical person, so you want to close your account like saving account, check account, so how you can close? Basically they will provide you phone number. Okay, on this page, Chime help support page, I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can visit on this page and you can see there is a phone number. Okay, and you can dial their phone number. By dialing their phone number you can close your checking account, you can close your saving account, you can do anything. And if you need any, you can say like information related to your account, you can ask any question. They will you can say like provide you each and every solution. Okay, and after cancellation what will happen, they will process your account closure request within 5 business days. After that you will no longer access to your account. Okay, so before closing your account, make sure download any text documents or statements under profile document section. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and the link is in our video description box. You can visit on the official website link and you can get the help related to phone numbers. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.